doing another day of spearfishing. It's gonna be awesome. Well, I don't know. We don't know how it's gonna be. So we'll just go out there, see what happens. You don't know if you don't go. It can be kind of stressful, life in general. You know, work, family, all that stuff. Trying to get out there once a week, whether it's swimming, diving, spearfishing, anything aquatic related. And the reason is because studies have shown that being in or near the water has a calming effect, and it can reduce your stress. It has a lot of really great effects on the human body. I brought my dad along, Nico and Dylan again, and Blaine. This time I hope to see maybe something different. Who knows? I mean, it's really hard to say what we're gonna run into, but it's always nice to get some variety. We're looking for sperm whales. We're hoping for sperm whales. Right, Dylan? Sperm whales.
Sperm whales.
We got lucky, Dylan. Hopefully we'll see some sperm whales today. We're gonna head out to the buoys again. If you haven't seen the last video, then I will link it down below in the description. Ran into some pilot whales, so we're gonna go check out and see what's going on with them. Looks like a pod of them with a little baby hanging out, and there's a group over there that's logging, which means they're like just sitting on the surface, and then there's a group over here that's kind of moving, actively moving. So we're gonna see if we can get close to them. There's one right there.
And we'll be able to swim out to meet their direction, but not so that the boat's right in front of them.
All right.
I just don't want to upset the bull. Daddy won't be happy. Oh, there he is.
He's a big boy.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid of his teeth.
Yeah. I don't know about the bulls.
Kind of stories.
Not the most pleasant stories.
Nico's gonna wait till he can see the whites of their eyes. Wow, that was like a serious bait ball or something.
Yeah, and I just seen this huge lure just go past my face. I'm like, oh my God.
Another successful day on the water. We saw quite a bit of stuff. We saw rough-toothed dolphins, pilot whales, schools of baby tuna, bait ball tuna, ukus, moose, rainbow runner. I think that's it. All in all, pretty good day. See you next time.